Best tips to make your blue eyes pop with and without makeup. Hey everyone! Are you ready to make those mesmerizing blue eyes truly stand out? Whether you're into makeup magic or rocking the natural look, I've got the ultimate tips to make your eyes sparkle like never before. Let's dive into these game-changing secrets you don't want to miss. Did you know certain colors are your blue eyes' best friend? Warm tones like bronze, copper, and peach can intensify your eye color in seconds. For clothing, opt for shades like coral, navy, or rust. These hues not only complement your eyes, but also add an extra pop to your overall vibe. Keep jewel tones in mind too. Emerald green and deep purple look absolutely stunning next to blue eyes. Experiment with eyeshadow palettes and wardrobe options. You'll be amazed at how these simple tweaks elevate your look instantly. For makeup lovers, here's a foolproof guide. Start by using a golden or rose gold eyeshadow as a base. It's like an instant brightness boost. Add dimension with a dark brown or plum shade in the crease, blending it smoothly for that sultry finish. Trust me, it's a showstopper. Eyeliner is key. Try navy or dark teal instead of black to subtly emphasize the blue in your eyes. Don't forget mascara. Choose a brown or deep blue tint to make your lashes pop while keeping your look soft and complementary. A classic winged liner. Always a winner. Prefer a bare-faced glow? No worries, I've got tips for that too. Start with hydrated skin, as a fresh complexion enhances your natural beauty. A touch of highlighter at the inner corners of your eyes does wonders, even if you're skipping the makeup routine. Pay attention to your brows. Well-groomed brows frame your eyes beautifully. Brush them up and shape them naturally to draw attention right where it belongs. Those gorgeous blue eyes. Pair this with wearing clothing colors that enhance your eyes, and you're good to go. Your hairstyle plays a major role in framing your face. Soft waves or messy buns will bring focus straight to your eyes. If you're into sleek looks, try tucking your hair behind your ears to let your brilliant blues steal the show. Play with accessories. Gold and silver tones in earrings or headbands work beautifully to accent your eye color. A simple change like this can bring your entire look together perfectly. Whether you're glamming up for a special night or chilling in a casual, no makeup mood, the key is balance. Use these tips to highlight your blue eyes effortlessly. Mix and match colors, products, and styles to reflect your unique personality and let your inner confidence shine. Now that you've got everything you need to make those blue eyes pop, it's time to put these tips into action. Try one or all of these easy tricks and let your gorgeous gaze steal the spotlight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty inspiration. Your stunning blue eyes deserve their moment to shine.